Hey y'all, it's Jacqueline at Pixie Dust PhD. I'm staying for one night in room 7514. This is a standard view studio at Bay Lake Tower. Rather than book this room using my own DVC vacation points, I actually purchased this via a confirmed DVC reservation. If you want to know about how that went, I posted a video previously on the channel going over the process of buying that confirmed DVC reservation. I will leave a link to that video in the description below if you're interested. And I have stayed in studios at Bay Lake Tower before. There are older videos on the channel covering essentially this exact same room, though not literally 7514. So if you want a thorough look, I will leave links to those in the description below as well. This room tour will be a bit more of an overview. We're really going to focus on the view specifically from room 7514. As your brief overview, here is your entryway door. Same as all the other ones, it's got this nice silver accent. Bay Lake Tower is shaped in this sort of crescent. We are here in 7514. This way is like your theme park view rooms. This way is north, so Space Mountain is basically over here-ish. Backing up to look at your entryway, it's not the widest. And on one side, you likely will have an adjoining door. We're just storing our luggage here for the night. Opposite the adjoining room door is going to be your bathroom. It is a sliding door. Apologies that the bathroom fan is a little bit loud. Here's a look at that. You've got your sink. There's really next to no counter space. It's probably my biggest complaint about this room. Mirror, some lights. You do have some shelves over here to help make up for the lack of counter space. There is no makeup mirror. Tiny cabinet underneath. Toilet, towels, and then your pretty standard shower tub combo, though I do love this inlaid tile. And I also love that there's a light in the shower, so it's always nice and lit in the shower itself. Got your clothesline. And then as of this day in September 2024, we still are getting single amenities from H2O, not the wall-mounted stuff. Moving into the main space, on one side you'll have your closet. It's a little bit on the small side, perhaps, but here is where your luggage rack, your safe, ironing board, extra pillow and blanket will be, as well as, of course, your hangers, if you want to pay to do laundry, all that good standard hotel stuff. Across from the closet is your kitchenette area, so this is more like a galley style situation. There's some inlaid orange wall art, and then you have your sink. Paper towels live there. Then you've got your cabinet with your expected disposables. This one actually also has real drinking glasses and coffee mugs, which is interesting. I will say, at least right now in 7514, this doesn't stay open. But Bay Lake Tower is due to start undergoing its refurbishment starting fall of this year for about a whole year, so who knows if these will stay, but hopefully these types of mechanical failures will be addressed. Got your coffee pot. Top drawer has your disposable cutlery, coffee supplies, can opener, corkscrew, all those standard things. Extra paper towels are in this large bottom drawer. Underneath the sink is trash and laundry detergent. Then you've got your mini fridge, toaster, microwave, ice bucket, storage space. This also is just additional storage space. Then there's a full-length mirror. And on this side is just a little sort of almost vanity area. Got our nice bright light, a mirror, no makeup mirror or anything, and then shelves. The air controls are here on this wall by the kitchenette. And then you move into your main space. So you've got one bed. There's a small side table here, as well as on the other side. Each person can also control their own lamp. Got your Mickey artwork. And lately, at least every time I've been coming, I get cute little Mickey towels, a little piece of art with a quote. That's super fun. I think I got Minnie previously, so this one is different. Then you have your pull-out couch, some more artwork, sliding glass door that goes out to your balcony. Across from that is your sort of working sitting table area. Another mirror and lamp. And then your TV and wardrobe. There's also a DVD player down here. Kind of just use this empty space for storage. All four of these white drawers are totally functional. These black drawers are also thinner but functional. And then next to the TV, you've also got some shelving here. So that's a general look at a room. Again, this is a standard view studio at Bay Lake Tower as of September 2024. But like I said, soon they are starting refurbishment on all of Bay Lake Tower, so who knows what these rooms will look like. The real highlight though is the view, so let's go take a look. It is obviously night when I'm filming this, but there's the lake. Just got some utility work going on down here. It's dark, so it's hard to see, but those are tennis courts, I believe. And then, boom, Space Mountain. Tron's back there. It's a little hard to see because of some of the foliage. And the top of the castle. And I think this is Astro Orbiter next to it. And then you can also see the lights for Main Street. So there's a lot of parking lot. It is a lot of cars, but hey, theme park partial view for standard points rates. Bay Lake Tower is my home resort for Disney Vacation Club. So obviously I'm biased. I really enjoy it. Because I usually travel with only myself and one other person, the fact that these rooms are very small honestly doesn't bother me. I also personally find the kitchenette layout of sort of being this galley situation very functional for me. This layout and this resort definitely isn't for everybody though, and that's okay. If you have a question, leave those in the comments down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and ringing the bell to turn on notifications. All of your interactions with the channel help me out so much. I am about to sit on my balcony and enjoy the happily ever after fireworks. What a treat. Thanks again for coming along, and we'll see you real soon at Pixie Dust PhD.